Last week you saw us cross the border from New South Wales into Victoria. We then hightailed it straight out of Victoria into South Australia, trying to stick to our very first itinerary to get back to WA. Join us as we redo the Nullarbor for the second time this year, finding the most spectacular bay and having a heart-stopping moment as the car tested our resilience by throwing a spanner. Morning guys, so we are leaving Ceduna today. We plan to get as close to the WA border as we can, probably just sleep on the side of the road somewhere. And on the way over we actually went past the head of the Bight and it was horrible weather and we didn't stop, but this time we definitely want to stop, so hopefully we can have lunch there and yeah, just get literally this side of the border so we can eat all our food and get ready to cross. So yeah, today's plan.
I had no idea there was the big sand dunes like that.
No, you'd never know just on the boring old Nullarbor. You know why it's getting pretty? Because we're getting close to WA again.
Oh!
Hey, well, apart from Northern Territory, we've been all the places, so...
Well, no, not really. We barely touched Queensland.
I still went in there.
There it is, look.
Oh, there's a whale. She's just got this little
There's
fin
two.
out.
There's another one just up there.
I'll try and get closer. You spotted another one down there.
There's three. I can see three.
Three now. Man, the water makes you want to go for a swim. And it's hot.
How good does it look?
And there's flies. Big one just chilling over there.
Just on the surface, eh?
Yeah. Oh, he did a little puff.
The other one's quite close. He's just here. He's
Yeah, in front of that, to the left a little, there's a little dark shadow.
just below the surface there.
There's actually another little one next to that. There's a baby.
Yeah, there's a baby one there. Oh, there's two there.
The Great Australian Bight. Look at the cliffs. What a stunning day. You got the calm little bay that way that's got all the whales. And Chris that's already hightailed it down there for a closer look.
Look how clear it is. That right there.
Oh, is that a whale there?
There's a whale.
Can you see it, guys? Right in the middle of the camera. we think that it looks like all of them have got calves, so it must be mum and baby. Just chilling.
She got a little baby there.
We're just gonna run back and try and get a better view for you guys on the other side.
Just relaxing. Here she comes. Big Bertha.
After getting back to the car and hitting up Google, we think that these were southern right whales. It says that there's about 60 of them that come here with about 40 calves a year. So yeah, as you can see, they come in super close and it's really awesome to see. Just chilling on the surface. That is awesome. There she is. That was pretty cool. $18 each to get in.
Yeah, it's worth it though.
Yeah, obviously you're paying for all the boardwalks and this building. You can get a coffee. Oh, actually I don't know if about coffee. You get a ice cream. Not that it helps us. Back to the pod, back to the Nullarbor driving. The endless Nullarbor.
We'll drive back out to that camp and have lunch.
On today's gourmet road lunch menu, we have leftover plant-based lasagna and fresh coleslaw with a little bit of avo and a few gherkins just to make it a bit more fun. Chris is already into it. And knowing we still have a ton of driving ahead of us today, we decided to procrastinate a little bit longer and have a game of Banagrams.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her
Bananas!
Give a game.
Unbeaten.
Made it just.
Spanner's back. Told you my net was a good idea.
Got the fly net out. Almost back itself. Oh my god, I think they're more attracted to that black.
They are
Everywhere.
friendly.
I don't know if the camera can see, but that is a lot of flies. I'm just doing the Australian
We're
wave.
parked at Peg 13, I think it's called, or 13 Peg 13, I don't know.
Last stop before the WA border.
Oh, hopefully. We had the dreaded spanner come back up on the car.
Yes.
Powertrain fault. I don't know why.
And we went into limp mode.
The auto temp was as it always is, where it always is. So, if there's a diff temperature or a transfer case temperature,
Oh my god.
center diff temperature, I don't know. If there's any of those things, let me know. Maybe it could have been that, because it is pretty hot.
And for all those people that watch YouTube channels and they're like, why don't you show it when stuff like that happens? I can tell you why, because when that spanner hit the dashboard, I think both of our hearts like sunk into our...
My heart was sitting on the road.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm like, oh my god, and we were like 60 k's in the middle of no, like to the closest anything, no service, like not even SOS. We were just nothing, and we're like, holy shit. But luckily, we turned the car off. We sat there for a bit, and we
That's why
seemed
I'm
to be
thinking
okay.
it's a temperature thing, because then I went, like, sat on about 84k or 80k or something, and it didn't come back, so it must be, I don't know. We're going to leave early in the cold, and then when it gets hot, we'll stop again.
Yeah, so we'll show you quickly what this place looks like, and then we are going to escape these flies, because this is fucking insane.
Tanya loves it.
pod and Evie Beast
Pod life.
who got us here just, thankfully.
It is 34 degrees,
Yeah,
so
it's not too windy though, hence all the flies.
our intake temp was about 40 degrees, so it was pretty hot.
Mm.
It's working pretty hard.
Right, let's get out of this mess.
Well, you going first, because I'm a disaster.
You're covered in flies. We'll find it. Oh, there's the petrol station.
High and wide vehicles.
We're back!
We're back, baby!
Best thing about towing your house with you is when it's coffee time. We just stop anywhere. Right now.
That's a few times.
I filmed you here last time. Our first night back in WA, we will aim for a side of the road camp just out of Caiguna. But first, hey guys, we're out for a walk and we wanted to give you a quick micro update on the caravan. If you watched last week's episode, you know that we put it up for sale. The pod is
For sale.
for sale.
We're selling the pod.
Yes.
So if you're in the Perth region and you're after a van, plenty of bells and whistles, pretty honest history, it's all on YouTube.
Yeah,
so
can't hide anything.
can't hide much. The link will be in the description, so yeah, pretty excited for the next people to enjoy it. We've loved it. So
Yeah, we've absolutely loved it, so can't wait for the next person to get hold of it.
Radio team, thanks for sticking around. So those of you who are eagle-eyed will have noticed in the last couple of episodes some new shirts. We've been testing out some new designs.
So I actually draw all of these myself, all from scratch, and they're all based around common sayings and random stuff that we've made up along the way. AKA Lent a bit sneaky, because Chris takes me into all the snake tracks.
Even though we've never seen a snake.
We have
One.
three
Snakes.
snakes.
So in addition to our original 5, sharky, snaky,
Snappy, stoned,
stoned,
hairy,
and hairy.
We now have 3 new ones, which are cooked, which is the kookaburra, crabby, a crab, and
Flappy.
Flappy. And if you've been hanging around our channel reading comments, you'll know that Flappy was actually a suggestion from one of you guys, which is awesome.
Yeah. So if you guys want to pop your favourite design in the comments, we'll pick one out and send the shirt out to you.
Yeah, we'll announce it in the next episode, and yeah. So if you guys have any more suggestions, I'm always trying to design new shirts, new designs. Just pop them in the comments below, and we will definitely consider them in the next round. Or if you don't want to wait until the next video, or you just want to get behind us and support our designs, you can jump over to our website lentilbitwiser.com.au and start shopping now. We have men's, women's and kids options available, so you can kit out your whole family for the summer or surprise them all this Christmas. Hope you enjoy.
Cheers.
See ya.